Pradeep also joins me on the broadcast. Pradeep, good morning. Clearly, this was one of those seasons, probably back in the day, that all of us look forward to. Perhaps even summer vacation, but this time around nobody even wants to deal with the heat. Also, this would have, in the larger scheme of things, health implications as well, Pradeep.
Yes, you're absolutely right. There is no respite from the heat wave also, and already the meteorological department has made it clear that in coming days also there is not going to be any respite in this regard. And so far as the Deputy Commissioner of the different districts here in Jammu region are concerned, they have come out with an advisory asking people to take enough fluid, not to go for any kind of a strenuous moment during daytime when these are the peak hours. Already we have seen that school timing has also been changed. Besides this, they have also given the numbers, and you can see here some people are volunteering. They are offering sharbat to the passers-by whosoever, because it's a very hot season right now, and people are facing lot many difficulties. There are people, let me speak to them. What कितना heat wave की वजह से कितनी मुश्किल हो रही है, जो ये आप शरबत वगैरह दे रहे हैं क्या?
मुझे लगता है कि जब इंटेंशंस बड़ी क्लियर हों तो मुझे लगता है मुश्किलातें तो जरूर हैं। जिस तरीके आप देख रहे हैं कि वेदर कॉस्ट जो हुआ है, फोरकास्ट हुआ है अराउंड 6 डेज का, जो यहाँ पर एक स्क्रॉचिंग हीट है जो इस समय जो यहाँ पर पूरे कहर जिसने बसाया हुआ है, मुझे लगता है कि एक छोटा सा प्रयास है हमारी तरफ से कि हम एक रिलीफ दे पाए अपने लोगों को, अपनी आवाम को।
But what is more important, look at, see how some people, they have started this stall, they're offering sharbat to the passer-by, they're trying to help each other. But so far as the government and administration is concerned, they have come out with a number. Because normally during summer, whenever there is heat, there are so many cases of fire. So they have given the number that in case there is a fire in any of the house, you should call 105. If there is a forest fire, you should call the range officer. The number of the range officer is given. And in case there is a fire at some other place, so you can call the particular number. Besides, if there is an emergency, because so many people had been suffering from the heat stroke, they had been given the hospital number. Immediately they should call so that ambulance can shift that person to the particular area. So all sorts of measures are being taken. But see, right now also I can tell you, normally this area is abuzz with activity, but you will hardly find any people except for the few vehicles moving around. Here you will find some vehicles have stopped because they are serving them water, they are serving them sharbat, they are trying to help them out because people are facing lot many problems. कितनी मुश्किल कितनी हो रही है गर्मी से आपको? बहुत मुश्किल। क्या काम करते हैं आप?
सेवा कर रहे हैं।
Pradeep,
so they're saying that we are doing seva. Not many people are facing problems because
what already. Thank you very much for getting us how essentially everybody is coming together to really not just beat the heat but also navigate through the same. Appreciate you getting us those voices as well. But for the